This is a print called Seigaiha Waves. Seigaiha means blue waves. This design symbolizes the waves of peace, good luck and good fortunes, as well as power and resilience. I was very drawn to this Seigaiha pattern because it brought back lots of memory of my childhood. My hometown Beppu is surrounded by the ocean, and from my bedroom window, I could see the expansion of the water in front of me. One of the things that I wanted to incorporate into this design was the use of traditional bamboo and ink. I learned the Japanese calligraphy when I was little, and I love the way that the brush and ink capture the essence of the movement, and also it can turn into something very delicate. Next moment, it can change into something very bold. And also this reminded me of different phases of the ocean. So in this print, I wanted to bring those two aspects of waves in the ocean. Something very calming and beautiful, but the next moment, they can be surrounded by dark clouds and ferocious waves. And this is what I wanted to bring to this print.